Most people are watching Bitcoin's price, but the real pressure building underneath the market is coming from Ethereum, and almost nobody is talking about it. The countdown to the Ethereum spot ETF approval is getting tighter, and the signals forming right now look almost identical to the period before the Bitcoin ETF launched. Trading desks are reporting increased ETH accumulation even while the price remains flat, and that kind of divergence rarely lasts for long. The interesting part is that exchange reserves are quietly dropping while institutional custody holdings are rising, which usually means large buyers are positioning off-exchange instead of trading publicly. At the same time, on-chain data shows that long-term holders are moving ETH into cold storage at the fastest rate in months. When this pattern appears during low volatility, it often precedes a major narrative shift rather than a short-term reaction. Search trends for Ethereum ETF have doubled, social mentions are up, and analysts are starting to describe ETH as the next institutional rotation rather than just a technology play. The most surprising detail is that some funds are already adjusting exposure before any official decision, which means they may not be waiting for approval to act. If the ETF is approved, it could unlock a new inflow cycle. If it's delayed, the positioning already happening could still tighten supply and increase long-term pressure. The question isn't whether interest is building, it's how long the market can stay quiet before the narrative becomes impossible to ignore.